According to this Fibonacci circle based on the repeating interval method, price has recently fallen onto an area of potentially stronger support, mainly centered around the 176 to 160 range until the end of this month. Here's what a strong bullish reversal avoiding the area can look like. Developing an uptrend into the low $2 range can still likely be halted by the recent double top range. Price could drop into the central circle, in which case it would be important for the 150 level to hold, and preferably close back over 176 before April begins. Otherwise, a further bearish continuation becomes more likely. Verizon stock price recently filled in the gap up, so there's been a bullish advantage in the short term with the predictable bounce off contacting 39.60. However, a steeper incline like this looks less likely at this current time. Also note the low 42 range can still present firm resistance approaching March, though it can likely be overcome if a strong presence is maintained in the 40s like this. But no matter which path price takes, the 39.60 level will remain a highly relevant support level in the near future. In the event of a break below it, look to 37.90 for the next level. EA stock price with a sharp short-term spike just going above previous highs. If price is to continue higher, there's progressively stronger resistance from 146 to 148. Price can remain within the 140 range if there's no further development with the bearish engulfing pattern. Of course, any break below 140 can likely lead to price going into the lower half of the fib fan. Then, without any major bullish catalyst, XOM stock price is likely to remain more neutral to bearish, and at least a minor triple top reversal is possible with decisive closes under 100. And in the less likely event, price can quickly close over 105. The 112 to 115 range provides the next major obstacle to rising price. Then Coca-Cola stock chart still stuck under the 60.90 level, which if not cleared by April, could likely keep price in a more neutral to bearish stance within the central part of the fib fan, especially since the 58 to 56 range only presents moderate support.